This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below. Morning guys, March 13, 2019. This one here I got a call for a Whirlpool gas furnace not running. It says making some weird noises. So we'll have to go by there and see if I can figure out what's going on with it. So we'll have to see. Hopefully I get parts for this beast. So that's not the noise you're hearing?
No, you'll hear it inside when the fan kicks on.
Alright, so it's going to be the fan then. Alright.
Yeah,
No on-off switch on this thing.
Yeah, I couldn't find one either. That's why I just went over and...
It's got to be right here. That's it right there.
Oh, okay. Now I see it.
Let's take the fan. Let's look at it. So you're saying that when the fan kicks on, how come there's no filter in there?
I took that out. I thought it looked like it was cockeyed in there.
Well, maybe
that's all it was.
Yeah, maybe it's out of whack.
That's what I'm.
Let's hope it's something easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta see those. Take those screws on. Where'd you get my number?
I just went on the internet. I was calling everybody. I called a bunch of different places that were nearby. Nobody could do it. So.
Let's hope it's something simple.
What kind of furnace do you recommend? What, you're saying the Whirlpool isn't good. So what would be good if we were to replace it?
I like the Rod Rood line. I mean, whatever you can get parts for.
Yeah. In
your area.
Yeah.
This is just one of them that you really can't get parts for too easily.
Yeah. Like I said, we bought the house about 5 years ago now, and
oh yeah, something I could hear. Sounds like something's stuck in there. It might be on this side. We'll have to pull it out and see. Let's pull it out and see what the hell's going on with it. I don't see nothing in there. What do we got there? I think them are neutrals. Alright, so this comes out, this plug comes out, that goes back in easy enough. Something's definitely hitting.
Started with the noise, and then it started. Maybe it's loose enough that it's not.
You can see it's move. I can move the whole flipping thing.
Yeah.
Look at that. It must have broke free. Yeah, see, I can move it. Look at that. I can move the whole thing. Wow. What a shit show. Yeah, so we're gonna need a new blower wheel for it. Number right there. So you want to look at it? The whole blower wheel is loose.
Okay.
If you want to come over here and see how I can move it?
Yeah.
See, it's not attached.
Yeah.
See how it's all scraping and shit?
Yep.
That's supposed to be attached there, and it's not. See it? I can move it by hand.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah, so it all broke. Yeah.
That's the flipping blower wheel let loose. So that would make one hell of a racket.
Oh yeah.
Probably put a big strain on the motor too.
Yep.
I mean, how long was it? Was it you shut it off like right away or what?
Yeah, pretty much. It started making a noise. I was at work. My wife let it go overnight, and then the next day it was really making a noise, so I shut it down. That's when I started making phone calls. I was like, sounds like something broke or whatever.
No getting around that. Can't run it like that. Guys, I got the blower wheel. Linux, Whirlpool, no dying, all the same. Oh, that's my friend. That's my buddy, Miss Molly. You my buddy? Huh? Molly. Good girl. Come on. Take a leak. Good, take a leak. Good girl. There you go. Good job. Good job. Come on. Come on in. The whole thing came right apart. Oh, we got the new wheel there. I did disconnect all the wires. So what I'll do is I'll disconnect that. We'll stand it up on edge and get the unit out. This panel's gotta come out here to get the wheel out. Thing's sliding easy, so that should come right out. Can't use a nut driver on that sucker, can you? Can't even get it on there. Bitch. Take these right out. I don't know what kind of condition the motor's in. Oh, it should be alright. I'm gonna mark right here where the wires come out so we know where to put it back. Disconnected, so that thing should pop right out of there. There you go. I want to check this microfarads while I'm here. What should it be? 20. $17.5. That seems a little low. 20 should be 19. So I gotta change that. It's only 17.5. That's no good. Let me get another one out of the truck. Alright, I got another 20. It's a little bit bigger, but it'll just be okay. better. $20. That's what we want right there. Here's the old one. Can you see it? Yeah, it's no good. It's too low. Look at that. The whole thing's spinning. That's something. You gotta make sure you put it the right way so the fins blow up, right? He's gotta be upstairs. You want that on the flat side of the shaft. You want that screw to be on the flat side of the shaft, right? Forget it where it needs it. Right in the middle. And you want to get it on the flat. That's the best way. You don't want to have it on the round. Alright. It's actually going to spin this way. I got it in the middle. Because it's going to spin this way, and you want it to grab the air and throw it. You don't want to put it in backwards. That's the way it goes. Everything's tight. I got two more oranges I gotta put on this side. It's a roll-out switch. Not easy being cheesy. Not easy being cheesy. Gotta put all the wiring back together. I marked everything down where everything goes, so I don't know. That can only go in one way. Put these four here. I'll mark that one for the black. Some black here with a white. Here's the power coming in at 102. Neutrals go over here. Just like that. Another neutral. I didn't take any of the low voltage stuff out. I left that all alone. Marked everything down where everything went, so. Alright, so what do we got here? Blue, then we had a yellow, and a black. Yellow, and then a black. That's the way it was. Just like that. That's the way it was. It should fire right up now. Well, it should be good. I got all the low voltage together and didn't touch any of that. Alright, why don't you fire it up? It should work now.
Is it, you got it shut off over here still?
I'll turn it on.
I think it's got power over here, so it should kick on if it doesn't.
Fire up. I should probably clean the flame sensor while I'm here, you know? Probably will. Guy to change the capacitor was only giving off. It's supposed to be a 20.
Yep.
See it right there? It's like 17 and a half, so I had to change that.
Alright. I had a question too. My son's room is on the far corner.
It's cold.
It's always cold.
Yeah, it's because the guy put the system in.
Yeah. So is there anything to do to rectify that other than...
See it? 17.5 right there?
Yep.
Okay, there's your fan.
That sounds a lot better.
Now grab that and turn that. Grab that.
Yep, that's the noise it was making. Yeah.
That's something, huh? Alright, so let me shut it off and clean the flame sensor while I'm here.
Okay.
I mean, take 2 minutes. That should be done. Maybe, you know, you could probably throw it a little... It's on just that one room?
Just that one room, yeah.
Well, why don't you get him one of them little electric heaters that look like a radiator?
Yeah, that's what we did.
With the oil...
That's what we did. We were trying not to use that if we didn't have to, you know. But
yeah, but, you
there was
know...
a way to get this system to...
That guy should have put the system in the middle of the house, split it both ways, I mean...
We had designed it.
You know, I get that a lot, you know, people install a system and then they call me later and want me to fix it. It's like...
Yeah.
Call the guy back who put it in.
Yeah.
No, I'm trying to be smart, but that's what... Why the hell do I need the headaches? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that flame sensor, you see how I cleaned that? I took it out and cleaned it. It gets a little bit of...
Oh, right up in there? Okay.
Sometimes you gotta do that every couple of years. You only gotta clean it with a either a dollar bill or this is really worn out stuff.
Yep.
Alright, that should work now. So you're all set.
Alright, awesome.
You want that wheel or you want me to chuck it?
No, I don't need it. You can get rid of it if you want. Alright.
Kind of, yeah, I'll throw it in a scrap pile.
If it's out.
Now what you should do on this stuff is you should buy the cheaper one, buy the 4. See, this is 9?
Yep.
Come air conditioning, you're not going to have enough flow through this thing to run the AC.
So maybe in the for the summer then get...
I would run the 4s continuously.
Okay.
They're cheaper. You can buy a set of 3 and you'll get more airflow. It will catch the dirt.
Yeah.
Now you want to put the metal towards the fan.
Yeah.
The metal reinforcement towards the fan.
Okay.
Or the arrow going this way.
Okay.
Because what happens is if that ever gets wet, the metal will stop the filter from pulling into the fan.
Right, yep.
I wish I would have heard it run before I fixed it, but we knew there was a problem.
You should have heard it. You would have been able to hear it outside.
Not bad, huh?